We're rebuilding our military stronger than ever before, and we are not going to deplete it again on stupid, senseless, endless wars. We've invested more than $2.5 trillion restoring our armed forces, and all of it was built in the USA. And that includes approving the construction of almost 200 F-35 fighters, stealth. And many of them are built right here, you know that, right? In Fort Worth. As we restore our security, we're also restoring our prosperity. America is winning again, and America is respected again.